Hello friends and family, welcome back to the Nest Homestead. I'm Angela and today we have an emergency. Dun dun dun! We have a zucchini starter plant, this little fella right here, that stem snapped. There's still some connective tissue, and according to Google, there's a fix to it. Here's a close-up of the zucchini. We also have a little kitty cat chilling in the back. Chicle! Right here is where it snapped. I actually had to grab a few of the tools that we have in our first aid kit, such as this adhesive tape that is breathable. You don't want to use any duct tape. I also grabbed this little Q-tip. It'll be used to hold the stem stiff, but also the Q-tip end I'll use to put on cinnamon. You can sprinkle some cinnamon on the open wound and that will help prevent fungicide or bacterial growth. I'll also need a little bit of water, and I have this little cutter, box cutter, to cut the Q-tip. So these are all the tools we'll be using today. Ignore this jar right here. This is just used to hold up the stem. According to the good old Googs, we want to wet the stem right here. You grab your cinnamon, you dip your Q-tip into the cinnamon, and you just dab it up. So I'm just putting that cinnamon all in that open wound. I don't want no bacterial growth. What I'm gonna do is cut off the Q-tip end. So now we're just left with this little splint. So the splint will help us align it and keep it in place. I have my adhesive tape here and we're gonna tape that up. We'll see if Google was right, because if it's not, I'm gonna be mad. I'm kidding, I'm not gonna be mad. This little guy, I'm gonna be putting him in a 10-gallon grow bag, and I'm gonna cross my fingers, hope that he makes it. If he doesn't end up making it, then rest in peace, but we'll try again. I'm glad I'm learning these things now, so in the future when I actually have area space to grow things, and say something like this happens to some of my starter plants, I'll kind of have those tools and resources and memory of what to do. I can just look back at this video and be like, okay, this worked, or this didn't work. I don't know, we'll find out. We're going to transfer our zucchini plant into this container. I'm going to dig a deeper hole than what the cup is. I kind of want to dig it past where it broke. I think that should be fine for the plant, so let's work with that. Okay, there it goes. I'm going to zhuzh the roots a little bit. There you go. Eee! Oh, I'm so excited to see if this works or not. I'm hoping it does, but like I said, this is such a good learning experience. I'm going to grab a little bit of plant food and just put a little bit around the area. I'm going to use this flower and vegetable all-purpose plant food. And then we'll give it a nice drink of water. Grow, zucchini, grow. It's been a month after the operation. I'm so happy to report the zucchini survived. And if we get up close here, we can see the white where the tape was. It seems like the stem just got thicker and that tape kind of expanded and maybe some of it ripped off. But you can still see the tape there and the Q-tip holding on for dear life. We've had a lot of firsts on this channel, and just like it's my first time fixing a stem that has ripped apart, this is also my first time growing a zucchini, so the leaves are looking a little rough, but we're still having a lot of growth like these two female stems, a whole buttload of male stems, and new leafage, leaves that are growing. If you found this helpful or you have any tips or tricks of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for being here with us today, and until next time, keep growing. Bye!
Got big dreams, just doing random things with my best friend.